Hello everyone. Will talk about what's the most convenient social network and payment tool. I will compare two famous and popular applications in China. One is WeChat, one is Alipay. Alipay and WeChat are the most popular mobile payment methods in China, and they have built with the social environment. They have really similar features and working function, including checking, red pocket, financial credit service, QR code payment method, loading your mobile cellular data service, and so on. Alipay was original is a payment method designed for the Taobao shopping platform by Alibaba, just like PayPal for the eBay, such as that. The WeChat is a social networking app designed by Tencent, and then it becomes a very popular chatting app in China, and also people cannot live without WeChat in China. And my test environment. The test will be performed on an iPhone XS, which is running the iOS system environment. The latest software installed from the App Store. The internet connection will be required for the test provided. All test functions original performed from the original app made, and each test are independent separate. The complete evaluate was generated based on a 5 criteria for the usabilities, each explained under the test metric. And please note that some test functions require the Chinese language environment, or some require the country and regional requirement. I will use VPN to satisfy the application requirement. And I have 10 tasks to test. First is add and searching friend and group chat. Second is the send money to a friend. Third is red pocket function. Fourth is social share environment. The 5 is stranger security function. The 6 is personalized profile. 5 is the payment security function. The 8 is QR code payment. The 9 is the third-party built-in function. The last one is the financial credit service. I will use the 5-star likely scale to evaluate it. The effective is the functional successful. The second one is the efficient, the time use and convenience. The 3 is engaged, easy to reach the goal I was trying to make sure this task is complete. The 4 is error silent, measured by how silent the power plane is through the user error. The 5 is easy to learn. It's the user experience. The likelihood scale to be used will be shown below. Only one task was showing to avoid unnecessary repetition. This is my result. The first task I was using is searching friend and group chat. In the WeChat functions, we can see that we can all use the friend reader, the QR code, the mobile contact, or just typing the WeChat ID and phone number to find the people or the groups. In the Alipay, you can also use the similar function in the WeChat. You can tap the mobile numbers, the Alipay account numbers, the contacts from the phone, and share your the G token to the other people through the WeChat or QQ. That's really funny, right? So the effective for the WeChat and Alipay, they got same score on the others, only the effective one. The WeChat will be more complex than the Alipay, so I prefer use the Alipay. The task 2 is send money to the friend. When you send money to the friend in the WeChat account, you have to required to add the contact first, and you should you can use Alipay to transfer money. Just tap their email address or mobile numbers. But you notice that it's a real-time transfer cannot be refunded, so please conscious. So the efficiency, the Alipay will be nicer than WeChat because it does not need to accept the contact add new friends. They are both effective, and the WeChat is harder to reach the goal. So the WeChat for the score for the WeChat will be lower. It both can easy to learn. The text 3 is the red pocket functions. The both of app have these functions. So we can see the user interface. The Alipay's red pocket envelope will be nicer than WeChat. WeChat just typing the money, the numbers, but in the Alipay you can select what's your favorite envelope to send to your friends. The task 4 is the social shared monument. You can see you can share this is the discover the monument in the WeChat function. You can share the link, photo, the short-term videos on that. But in the Alipay, you can only share the links or the photos. You can see that it's still my friend to share their links on the Alipay, but do not have really much people use the Alipay friendly environment. I don't know why. The task 4 to test the stranger security functions. While you're trying to transfer the money through the Alipay, you can see they have the security function to check. You can verify their real names because you know your friends' names or know other people's name, and you can verify is that account. And also, when you transfer more than $700, you need to receive the tax passcode from the Alipay, and then you can transfer the money. But from the WeChat, you should add the people first and transfer money, because it does not allow people to transfer money to stranger in the WeChat security function. The personalized profiles. You can see the Alipay is much nicer than WeChat, because on the Alipay you can text your informations and put your photo on your background, but in the WeChat just is a general one. You can set in your profile photos and names, just that. The task 4 is test the payment security function. You can see both the payment functions can security with the Apple Face ID or Touch ID functions. It's really easy to make payment to merchants, and also it's really security by the Apple. The task 8 is the QR code payment. This is Alipay and this is WeChat. You can see they have just the same user interface, and then you can choose which payment type you want. You can use your credit card or your balance on the wallet. And also the QR payment method in WeChat is not only can transfer money to the merchant, and also you can transfer money to your friends. And then we can just take a look at the third-party functions, like the other merchants want to join in their platform. Both of them launched the mini programs, but it's WeChat launched first. You can see I have added several merchants on my account, like Deal Moon. They share their discount information through the WeChat, and in the Alipay, I'm sorry, so they are used the Chinese language functions. And this is just like the delivery service. You can check your delivery. This is EMS service in China, like the US Post or other like delivery company. You can check through their apps on the Alipay to check your deliveries. It's really helpful for the merchants to know the customer using, and the customer can easy to know like what's your delivery, what you want, that. And also we can see the financial credit service. I just noticed that The WeChat does not offer the credit service, but the Alipay did. You can see my credit level is just 3,000 because I do not use much here in America. This is the task 10 score. According to 10 tasks to test this software, many functions built in those mobile applications improve a lot of personal life experience. The WeChat is more like a chatting tool built with a wallet service, and the Alipay is more like the wallet tools want to make their own social networking environment. From my using experience in China, the WeChat are often likely to use in the chatting like text or voice calling, and Alipay was more acceptable in many physics machines, and people use their more on their money transfers. Both applications has many personal settings and money in the account in many methods to make sure it can be secured. The QR code is made in Japan, but those developer has made it successful in mobile payment method in China. And it can make people in China to shopping without the physics value. Like just use our general scanner in Walmart and just scan your phone and then you can pay it. If you like to social networking chat with you, I recommend you choose WeChat. If you would like to shopping, you should use Alipay. And also, the Alipay is the only way to make payment in Taobao and they offer the credit service. You can see a biography through their official website, the Alipay and the Weixin.qq.com. And those are the score I test from the appendix. I have see the mean appendix. You can check it. Thank you.